gotta jump. Come here.
This is Chichen.
Come here, Chichen.
Trying to show Chichen her new home.
Chichen. Chichen, come here. Chichen's hiding. Oh. Nope. No digging. What's she doing? It's the Chichen.
What do you think, girl? Where do you want to go?
Who is that? Is that you? Who is that? Who's in there?
Oh.
She's on a trail. She's a hound.
Hound dog.
It's a perfect little place for her to play.
It is.
She pees on the carpet. It's not so hard to, you know, clean up. Her little ears flop over on top of her head when she runs. Come here. Oh.
We gotta